what you gonna do when the Lord comes back for His chosen few? Hey, what you gonna find when your heart be ready, filled with gloom? Are you gonna be ready? 'Cause it's gonna be soon. Hey, what you gonna do when the Lord comes back for His chosen few? Hey, what you gonna find when your heart be ready, filled with gloom? Are you gonna be ready? 'Cause it's gonna be soon.
Can you see the clock, how it ticks away? In a blink of that eye is a judgment day. There's a great reward or it's time to pay. Better make up your mind, He could be on His way.
Hey, what you gonna do when the Lord comes back for His chosen few? Hey, what you gonna find when your heart be ready, filled with gloom? Are you gonna be ready? 'Cause it's gonna be soon.
From the book of life will your name be read? Will your soul be happy or your heart feel dread? There's a straight and narrow path of sin. Will your time's running out? So I ask you again.
Hey, hey, what you gonna do when the Lord comes back for His chosen few? Hey, what you gonna find when your heart be ready, filled with gloom? Are you gonna be ready? 'Cause it's gonna be soon. Hey, what you gonna do when the Lord comes back for His chosen few? Hey, what you gonna find when your heart be ready, filled with gloom? Are you gonna be ready? 'Cause it's gonna be soon. Hey, what you gonna do when the Lord comes back for His chosen few? Hey, what you gonna find when your heart be ready, filled with gloom? Are you gonna be ready? Hey!
Glanzen, thank you so much for coming back. Salamat kayo. Nabitin kami last time katong sa among ko ano, Thanksgiving Day. Isa na kasong ang inyong gi-offer o render. And this time, you will be giving 3. And I believe na may concert later. Akong i-invite si Sir Neil. Si Sir Neil. Thank you, Sir Neil, sa pagdala sa imong group today. I believe you are the coordinator of the group. I borrow your mic, please. Thank you. Si Sir Neil, makapaglam ang coordinator sa Glanzen. Sir Neil, curious me, anong Glanzen ang tawag sa grupo?
Glanzen comes from the word, French, I think French word.
Yes.
To shine.
To shine?
Yeah.
Wow.
Murag parang glitters ba? No?
Yes.
Gikan siguro sa glitters ka word nga they will be shining. Pinagi sila mga awit.
Yes, indeed. And it's very biblical to shine. Sir Neil, unya na may concert. Asa dapit, ato invite ang mga viewers para makapaminaw sila.
Okay, karong buntag naata sa Garden Church diri sa ato ang SPUC. And then this afternoon we will be in Alubihid Church.
Yes.
O gi-invite sa namo ang memboring churches nga mo-attend sa dunyang hapon.
Okay. One more thing, Sir Neil, basig na i-update ang grupo or kung gusto i-contact ang grupo para sa mga events, no? Mukanta mo, kinsa may ang i-contact ug asa pod?
Doon ako yung number nga ginabutang sa mong poster. Kaya doon na sila yung mga gustong request.
Yes.
O unsa nga mga schedules.
Weddings. No?
Ilang po nang ipasa sa kuha kay within a year, doon na naman may mga schedules ko. No? Halos every Sabbath.
Wow.
Doon na may mga appointments.
Busy kayo.
Yeah.
Magay na singit pa ninyo ang Panimbaya sa Kabuntagon Sound. Thank you so much. Okay, mga kapaglaom, if nabitin po may unya mo kanta pag 2 more songs ng Glanzen. But for the meantime, ato nang andama atong mga kagalingon sa pagdawat sa mga tips ni Miss Leila, this time on Health Bits.